Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Ina Culver and this channel is called Simply Bomb Cooking. On this channel I share amazing ideas on things that you can cook in the kitchen. Some are dishes that you are very familiar with and some are my own creation. Tidbits on how to get these mouth-watering meal done in less time than you can imagine. Actually subscribe so that you can stay up to date with all of the amazing things I have to share. Also click that notification button so that you can be up to date on the newest video. Put a thumbs up on those recipes that you like and leave a comment so that I'll know how you enjoy this channel. Thank you again for watching Simply Bomb Cooking. I look forward to seeing you every week.